And Neelam, I'm here. Today I'm going to teach you here chapter number 19, Extreme Sports. Exactly these sports is related to sports. So our today topic is about sports. As you know, sports are good for health, but perhaps more importantly, many sports are team events and bring people together for competitive fun. After all, everyone likes to win. So let's learn about one of the here extreme sport, that is drag racing. Drag racing is the fastest land-based sport. It originated in the US and takes place between two highly charged dragster cars. Then speed skaters. Speed skaters can reach speeds of 40 miles per hour. Britishers, they have selected this unit for speed miles per hour. Okay, miles per hour means 65 kilometer per hour. Then horse racing. Horse racing with powerful thoroughbred horses, may be over flat ground or over jumps. Here spelling should be through. Horse racing with powerful thoroughbred horses, may be over flat ground or over jumps. Then yachts. Yachts of all sizes are used for competitive racing. Yachts are used for always here competitive racing. Then Formula 1, F1. Formula 1. F1 means Formula 1. So Formula 1 Grand Prix races are fast and exciting. You have seen in TV channels also. You have also watched these races in TV. Then road cyclist. Road cyclist may cover huge distances in race such as the Tour de France. Tour de France. Then hurdle races. You can say obstacle races. Hurdles are major part of any athletic event. These are major part of any athletic event. Competitors race over 10 hurdles spaced over a set distance. The sprint course is 100 meter. Sprint course is 100 meter. About 328 feet for women and 110 meter, 360 feet for men. A longer course takes place over 1300 feet, that is 400 meter approximately, but with the same number of hurdles. Many schools enjoy hurdle races. Okay, here hurdle are major part of any athletic event. So this is about hurdle races. Now let's learn about correlating things. This topic is based on language and literature. Okay, so correlating things. Quick thinking gives you an edge over others. Choose the correct answer and see how quick you are at correlating things. Okay, so limb is to body. First, limb is to body as branch is to where? Tree. Branch is to tree. So option B is correct here. Then ice is to melt as water is to yes, water is to evaporate. Then refrigerator is to cool as oven is to warm. Then man is to crowd as tree is to man is to crowd. Then tree is to forest. Then teacher is to student as doctor is to with whom doctor is with whom patients. Then road is to car as sea is to here ship, fish, aeroplane, scooters. Fish, that's it. Here ship. Road is to car as sea is to ship. 7. Bird is to nest as horse is to horse. Where does a horse live? Horse lives in a stable. Bird lives in nest. Then coal is to engine as wax is to wax is to candle. Not with torch, not candle, not bulb. It is wax is to here candle. Then 1/4 is to 2/8 as 8/16 is to 8/16 is to it is up to half, 1/2. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. It is to half. Time is to watch as pressure is to we see time with the help of watch. Then pressure pressure is measured with the help of barometer. That is that instrument used for measuring pressure of air, that is barometer. So time is to watch as pressure is to barometer. Okay, barometer. So in this way you will read these two exercise and complete in your books, GK books. Okay students, and your syllabus for this post midterm will be, you can note down. So post midterm syllabus is here pages number 36, 49, 55, 60, 64, 66 and 9. These pages will be syllabus for your post midterm. Clear? Thank you. Stay alert, stay healthy, take care of you. God bless you. Thank you.